Just gonna be walking.
Look what I've just found here. It's a little mole. He's trying to dig through my hand. Look at the cute little mole. What the fuck? Bruh. Hi. 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 Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he's fucking pissed. He won't let me go in there. See, look at how angry he is. Fuck. What did I do to you? I asked you to go outside. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Go outside.
Don't. No. No. Hot. Hot. No. Hey, Stella. You're gonna burn yourself.
Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет на-на-на-на-на-на-на.
Uh-oh.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magna! What the? Oh my god. Magna.
Yeah. Right behind you. Turn around, Dal. Turn around.
Really quickly, just so we all
And open up your mouth just like you did. Say ah. Ah. There we go. There we go.
Oh my goodness! The sea lions. Throw it hard, buddy. Throw it hard.
That bird took it over.
They already got my number.
tequila and Juno.
Hey, Ellie.
knew it was coming. Her teeth are sunk into my hand. Oh, she's not letting go. She still thinks I'm food. Oh, my hand's going blue. My hand's...
The top 3 most deadliest animals in the world. Number 3, the golden dart frog. This little bastard here is the most poisonous animal in the world, and they're like this big. If you are stung by this guy, it is basically certain death. There is enough poison in one of their harpoons to kill 10 people. Number 2, the bloody hippo. Hippos are responsible for 500 deaths a year. They clearly do not like humans. If they see you, they're gonna come after you, mate. Just watch this. Being in a boat will not protect you. They will tip them over and then you're done. And at number 1, my ex-girlfriend. This woman here is the most deadliest thing on the planet. She is a bloody psychopath. I'm not much of a religious man, but this woman proves that hell certainly exists. Has she tried to murder me several times? Yes. Did I deserve it? Maybe. So if you value your life, stay single, mate.
So I rescued a fucking kookaburra. I called him Simon. He couldn't fly. Get him in me car. Now he fucking won't get out and he's flying. But he can dance.
So now you're a big boy, aren't you? Huh? You can shower all by yourself. Yeah. Are you good? The head again? Very good. There we go. Oh my god.
It's okay. It's okay, see? It's okay. Shh. Easy. See? It's good, isn't it? You little fucking shit. He's a mean bastard.
Good morning. It's time for some milky. It's time. Oh, so hungry.
Alright, so this is a spotted hyena, guys. Look at her huge teeth. Oh my god, and you got my finger. And she has such strong jaws, she could bite my fingers off immediately without a problem. But she's not doing that, and why? Because she has feelings. She's very social and very emotional.
Mocha.
Good morning, Tracker. Good morning, Forest. Good morning, Quill. Good morning, Nurture. Oh, scratchy, 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 scratchy. You good boy. Good morning, Scout. Good morning, Turk. Good morning, Raina. Oh, other purse today. All the birds. Good morning, Pichu and Mesa. Oh, no need to get saucy. Good morning, Juba. Good morning, Tundra. My old girl. Good morning, Khan. Yeah, grumpy as always, I know. Good morning, Alfalfa. What's he doing? You sniffing? Oh, that's scary.
Only time his bitch ass wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Huh? Here.
Just try not to bite too hard, okay?
Are you kidding me? Oh, how did he get behind us? How did he get behind us? No, you won't. Oh my gosh. I love this guy. I love him. He's incredible. My heart is popping out. Oh my gosh. Where are you? Oh my gosh. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh my gosh. I cannot breathe. Oh my gosh. Katie. Katie. I can't.
Finished.